Good morning, Clay.Thompson here, Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2019 Eclipse Attitude 28 SAG. Nice, short, but large enough to haul the toys. Come on in, let me show you the inside first. This is a non-garage model. Starting out here right at the doorway we walk in, we have access to our slides. We have access to all of our lighting, our whole command center here. Ceiling fan, exterior lighting, stereo system in the cabinetry. Pan around to the door side here. We have the nice, very comfortable captain's chairs here that sit down and they're rock. Swivel. Big patio window, nice table. Overhead cabinetry. You notice the cabinets here, this has got the upgraded kicker stereo system, but nice deep cabinets. Both sides, this one doesn't have any shelves for the taller items that we might want to pack, or we could always, put a shelf in there if need be. Notice the LED lights underneath the windows, valances, and the across the back here, and the puck lights in the ceiling. This is a 12 volt 4-blade ceiling fan to help circulate the air. The new elongated windows is a nice feature, really opens up, puts a lot of lighting inside the trailer from the sunlight, as well as the individual lighting at the bunk bed areas here. Double USB and 12 volt port on the sidewall there as well. This one has the rear patio kit with the cables and with the pass-through opposing dinette, which is standard on the SAG model. You can opt it with the lower bed being the rollover couch if need be, but the opposing dinette is standard now. Again, another window over here. The bunk bed way up top. Plenty of clearance for the side-by-sides. And if not, we can pull the pins on the side here, and this couch will fold down against the wall. So then our height is clear up here, so if we have a taller vehicle or something coming in, we can judge it from here and not here with these folded down against the wall. Slide out here in the couch, nice big table here, more cabinetry, nice bright reading puck lights above, and then the LED backlit lights there. Come over to the kitchen counter, 3-burner cooktop with cover, illuminated kitchen counter area, oven, large residential sized microwave. Notice the backlit attitude light, and then the backsplash area is all backlit as well. This has the big one-piece basin sink. Nice addition to the sink that they put in. Pull-out pantry. Nice clear-cut plywood they use. All on metal rollers with ball bearings for the drawer glides. Got your drawers on the sides. A little bit of storage underneath the sink. Nice large refrigerator. Lots of cabinetry in the kitchen area throughout. Nice and deep. Plenty of space. TV above. So with this TV and the stereo system, we have the HDMI cable running from the stereo to the TV. So our stereo player is playing our DVDs for our movies through the TV and through the sound system. So that's a nice feature, as well as having 3 locations on the stereo system that we can preset our systems, whether we want the bedroom, living room, or outside modes for our stereo system. Coming up the side hallway here, this has got the 160 watt solar on the roof. Thermostat here, hallway light. Come into the bathroom, got a nice mirrored vanity with 3 shelves. This has got the Centurion package, so we got a solid surface countertop in the bathroom with the vessel sink. Nice faucet. Porcelain toilet. Nice big glass shower. Even a guy my size can get in here and be able to scrub and wash up and have plenty of room. More closet, more drawers in the bathroom. So nice spacious bathroom, ceiling fan, pass through into the bedroom. This one has the optional second slide for the wardrobe slide in the bedroom, and actually a second air conditioning in the bedroom as well. Pre-wired for cabling and plug-in for our bedroom TV here. The cabinets here for the wardrobe with the clothes hanger. More closet space along the side of the bed. Drawers beside. Little pocket area underneath here on both sides of the bed. Overhead cabinetry here. Light switch for above the bed there. So plenty of plug-ins, all kinds of lights throughout this whole trailer. Did a very nice job with the LED lights. Come on outside, I'll show you some exterior stuff. So in comparing with a lot of other toy haulers out there, this is a vacuum bonded floor. It's about a 2 1/4 inch thick floor here. You can see the thickness here. The heavy duty D-rings in the floor. The nice flooring that they use. The 3 large steps. Nice graphics on the exterior. The LED lights, the door light is an LED separate light bar with the LED light strip for the awning itself. The SAGs have the nice big 16-inch tires and wheels. Metal fender wells. Greasable Zerk fittings in the suspension. Exterior kicker speakers. Adjustable power awning so we can angle the arms, let the water run off one way or the other instead of bellowing in the middle if we get some rain while we got the awning out. Exterior spotlights. Easy crank access to crank our spare tire down in case we need to change a flat. The big rear ramp door with the rear overhead spoiler with the built-in docking lights. All sprung loaded across the bottom here with heavy-duty springs. Reflective graphics on the back, reflectorized taillights as well. So if we lose power, somebody behind us at night can still see we're in front of them. Got the nice pull-out extension ladder that always stays with you on the outside of the fifth wheel. 12-volt fuel pump. Fuel gauge, fuel turn off and on buttons here. Shore cord, fuel tank fill here. The slide. And then our outside shower, large water heater, gas and electric. Easy low point drains down below. The off-door side of the basement area gives us access to the basement that's lit and it's heated when the furnace is on. This one has the enclosed underbelly. Underneath, it's this one's got the low point drains and your gate valves here. Battery disconnect switch, transfer relay switch there for the gen with the second bedroom slide. This particular model is available with the heated enclosed underbelly or just an open underbelly. This particular one actually has the open underbelly rather than the sealed underbelly, but we have them both ways. One-piece end cap here, gen up front with the LED lights up front on the cap as well. Large tanks here for the propane. Got 2 7-gallon tanks, so we got a total of about 14 gallons of propane there. And then the door side and access into our basement again. This one weighs about 9,500 pounds at Attitude. When they build this trailer or fifth wheel, when it's built, it goes across the scales, gets weighed, and they put the dry weight of the trailer or fifth wheel right here on the side of the door, so that it takes the guesswork out, try to figure out what it weighs dry, so we can figure out what our cargo capacity is going to be or what we're going to put in. The nice thing about the Eclipse is all they do is build a toy hauler, so they know the toy hauler is probably as good if not better than anybody else. They're using these things out in Southern California out on the dunes for recreation like we all are using with our toys. So they know what's going on in the toy hauler business. So this is just another one of our Attitude products in stock. We've got a great deal of inventory coming, as well as a lot of inventory in stock. If you need to know anything about them, make sure you contact me. I'm Clay.Thompson with Guaranty RV Center. Can help you out, see if we can find the right rig for you, and enjoy your summer. Thank you and have a great day.